Welcome back. The cells I grafted should be just a few days from emerging, so today I'll put both of them in their own separate nuke. Let's get to it. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, that's empty. Looks like there's a nice population in there. Let's hope I did the math right and the cells are still kept. If not, I lost one cell. All right, let's separate this. First this side. Now these should still be capped, and within a few days of emerging, like I said earlier. They're nice and fat and covered in comb. So I'll be putting them in separate nukes. So first things first, I need to get some capped brood and food for a second nuke box. Let's set this aside. Have a look at the rest, see if there's still capped brood. It's pretty heavy, so it's most likely food. Yeah, this has all emerged. So I'll be giving this to the next nuke over. So they'll both get 2 frames, one with brood, one with food, 2 empty foundation, and an empty drawn frame. So look at the next one over. Have a look. Yeah, it's all emerged except for a few cells. There's a queen cell over here, and it looks pretty good. There's a couple of cells in there. I might have missed those. Oh well, I can make 2 extra splits with those. There's a cell here and a cell here. Yeah, I'll keep an eye, see if anything else emerged. But considering they're still capped and not damaged, I'm pretty sure no queen has emerged. So that's a mistake I made. I did not check properly for more cells. This might have contributed to the fact that so few grafts took. Let's make sure there's no queen in there. I need to keep those cells, both of them, and make splits. There's a few torn ones, but that's probably the ones I destroyed. Okay, so let's move these things over. Look, there's 2 beautiful cells right in the bottom. So I'll be making more splits out of these. So that's 4 instead of just 2. Let's have a look here. There's a really puny cell over here. So I really made a mistake and did not look well enough. So, and it's on the verge of emerging too. It was so small, it wasn't worth it. All right, let's have a look at this last frame. But it looks like only food. Lots of bees. Yeah, and only food. So let me go get some brood frame and I'll make sure to create one split per extra cell I have. All right, I just finished harvesting the frames of brood and food I wanted. So next step is establishing 3 nucs. I will be giving the first one, since there might be a virgin queen, the cells that were on the frames. The other 2 ones will get the grafts. All right, let's start building this thing. And 2. And 3. Okay. Now let's remove the grafts from here for now. Put them in a safe space right there. And right over here, I have 3 frames of brood and 1 of food, and 2 of food, I should say. So I will be giving these some reinforcements. All right. Next, these will be getting one of the grafts. So first, I'll grab a frame that has brood. As you can see, it's a nice slab of brood over there. And I'll be putting it in the nuc. The next step is grabbing one of the grafts and putting it between 2 frames. So let's get over. There they are. All right, now to pry it off without breaking it. Look at this beautiful cell. It's nice and fat. And to donate it to a split, we just put it between 2 frames. Like so. Let's be safe here. All right. And now we delicately close the nuc. Make sure it's got support on both sides without squeezing it. And that's it. I'll simply do the same for the next one. Let's see. Pull it up. Want to pry that off without breaking it. Come on. Here we go. Gently stick it to the side of the frame. I'll put it out just to be safe again. See, I nearly made another mistake. That's the frame that has the 2 cells already. This one goes over here. Alright, let's grab another frame of brood. Let's stick it to the frame gently. And voila. Close that here. Let's give it some food. And since the population is a bit lower in this one, I'll give them the last frame of food over there. Few lost bees, population boost. There we go. Now let's close these off. There we go. Close it. And now let's correct our mistake and give these gals a frame of bees, or rather, let's give them some queen cells. Let's remove empty foundation and give them the cells. There we go. That way, if my mistake released a virgin queen, it won't destroy the 2 grafts that were successful. Oh, important detail. Open access. Here we go. Last step will be giving them some sugar, but that's basically it. So despite a few mistakes that turned out to be, well, not a complete disaster, I now have 3 nucs that are gonna hopefully end up with a queen each. So that's all for this week. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Please like and subscribe.